Welcome back, young storytellers. Today we're diving deeper into the magical world of character creation. Get ready to breathe life into your stories with characters that will jump off the page and into your readers' hearts. Characters are the heart and soul of your story. They're like friends who take us on adventures. Let's start by creating characters that are not only relatable, but also unforgettable. Imagine your character. What do they look like? Are they tall or short, brave or shy? Draw a picture of your character and give them a name. This will help you visualize them better. Think about your favorite characters from books or movies. What makes them special? Harry Potter is brave, Matilda is clever, and the Gruffalo is mysterious. What will make your character stand out? Think about your favorite characters from books or movies. What makes them special? Harry Potter is brave, Matilda is clever, and the Gruffalo is mysterious. What will make your character stand out? Next, create a character profile. Write down everything about your character, from their favorite food to their biggest fear. You can even act out your character to understand them better. Congratulations, storytellers! You've created amazing characters that will make your stories come alive. In our next video, we'll explore how to build an exciting setting for your story. So, keep dreaming and writing. Let your imagination soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more interactive storytelling adventures. Happy writing!